Yo, what's going on, guys? Hang on a second. There we go. What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing today? How's everybody doing today? Hope it's going good this evening, guys. A little bit of an earlier stream. We got some stuff to get into, man. Let's get into the chat real quick, see what everybody's doing, see who's all here. You guys are coming in early today. I love to see it, guys. Absolutely love to see it. Let me just make sure we're live over on X as well. And we are live. We are live. Okay, what's up, guys? What's going on? Liquidity in the house. What's up, everybody? How we feeling? Feeling good, man. Feeling good. Feeling bullish. Sunny day today. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Very, very nice. How you feeling, man? How you feeling? Tara, hello, Rob. And Crypto Fam just added 932,000 JASMY to my bag from my Pepe swap. Whew. That is a nice, hefty bag, Tara. Very, very nice. Congratulations on that. Absolutely amazing, man. That's how you do it, man. You roll those meme coin, gains into your utility plays. That is exactly how it's done. Hope we start seeing some bullish price action upwards soon. Though I don't plan on selling soon. I'd definitely be positive. Yeah, I agree. I get what you're saying. It'd be just once in a while, it would just be nice to see a little bit of green, right? I get it. I'm with you. I'm picking up what you're putting down. But at the same time, for me, I get my kicks off filling my bags, man. You know, I'm still really, really loving picking up these bags, guys. Love it. Pluto says, congratulations on the swap. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Crypto Homes in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Batlander, hello, Rob and Jasmy family. What's going on? What's going on? Win Olivia, hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning. I love the Dragon Ball Z picks as always. Absolutely amazing. Shane, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, so what do we have going on here in the wild world of crypto, guys? If you're new here, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. Dragon, what's up, man? It's been a couple days. Hello, Rob. What do you think about gaming GRX? I talked about it a little while ago. Very, very bullish. They're making a lot of moves right now, and I'm very, very bullish on the project. I do not hold any yet, but it is a project I plan on getting into, though. So very bullish indeed on that. Okay, let's get right into some of the stuff we got to look at today, shall we, guys? So we got Mark Cuban right off the top here, guys, talking to the Democrats here. Says, can we please learn from what Japan is doing? Why is it they are fully supporting it, and our SEC is making it impossible to survive in the USA? This is the first technology that I can recall that we have handed to the rest of the world while shutting it down here. Yes, exactly. That's the leadership that we have right now, guys, and we have to get rid of it. Vote it out. You know what to do, guys. You know what to do. All right, what else is out there? Steph is crypto. My main man says if you get to 1 million Jasmy, you will be set for life, in my opinion. I agree. That is a very hefty bag of Jasmy. ABT is up bigly. More content creators now converting this project. ABT. Let's have a look. ABT, you say, huh? We're doing good, are we? It's up another 9% on the day. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I still don't. I only have a moderate sized bag of Arc Block, to be honest with you. Not a huge one, but yeah, definitely one that's going to do monstrously well in this bull run. I would agree. I definitely would agree. Let's hear what Hara has to say, guys. So Hara says, Junction will expand its ecosystem through collaborations with many Web3 projects. Junction's aim is to project, tongue-tied. I guess you guys can't see me either, eh? Boom, there you go. See, I'm here. I'm not lying. I'm here. Junction's aim in this project is in two ways. The first is to work with 4 million plus Korean community that they have with a partnership with C2E, which is one of the top ranked Korean BBS communities, has been able to attract new users from Web 2 and Web 3 through the unique and advanced point system. The main objective is to expand businesses to the Korean community through content and technical collaborations. More collaborations to come in Korea, guys. Look out for it. Secondly, they have the know-how to seamlessly expand from Web 2 to Web 3 with their point to token system. And Junction's main target is Web 2 users and businesses. Our mission is to seamlessly integrate them into our platform in order to reach a user base that Jasmy Chain has not been able to develop so far. We would like to add unique features to the chain and expand the community. Guys, their primary tunnel vision focus, right, is to add as many users to the PDL system as possible. This should make you mega, ultra, double bullish as you are right now. Take your bullishness up, right? Take your bullishness, double it, times it by 2 more, add 50 million, and then times that by 3, and that's how bullish that you should be, right? What else do we got? JASMY is, if this break happens, we can see a 30% move in the short term from here, guys, up to close to that 2 cent 5 to 2 cent 7 level. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing, right? For me, as you know, I still think we see a mid to low $50,000 range for Bitcoin. And if that's the case, then altcoins are going to bleed. They're going to bleed very, very nasty, right? So something to keep in mind, guys. I still think that's coming. I could be wrong. It's not 100%. Nothing in crypto ever is. But I would always say make sure you have dry powder on the side to take advantage of the situation if we do see that pullback in BTC. It's very possible, guys. We have Powell speaking this I think tomorrow or Wednesday. FOMC that's tomorrow, I think. So listen, there's a lot that can press the market downwards, guys, this week. So there's like 9 speakers this week. So definitely could see some bearish action. I'm very bullish on Polyhydra Network. Really nice interoperability project. What's the ticker? What's the ticker? I'll have a look. I'll take a gander. Liquidity, nice analysis, Rob. If that's the case about the dip, you know we got to fill our bags. Exactly. I am chomping at the bit here, man. I hope we see a 52 to 55K BTC. Are you kidding me? You know how much the altcoins are going to bleed? Do you know how much more alts I can pick up? That would be absolutely phenomenal. What do we got? ZK. Are you talking about ZKML? This is one of the projects we brought to the member side if you're talking about ZKML. Let's see. Polyhydra Network. Yeah. I'm not seeing that on here. What about on CoinMarketCap? Here we go. Here we go. It's on CoinMarketCap. Good old CoinGecko lets me down again. Right? Yeah, it's got a $94 million market cap. 60% of the supply is in circulation. I mean, it's a good project. All-time high was what, 2 months ago? But here's my problem. Right here. Can you see that? Probably not, because I'm over it. The circulating supply, I said 60%. Yeah, no, the circulating supply, only 6% of the supply is in circulation. That is a big deal for me, right? Too many projects dump on your head when you have low circulating supplies. I tend to steer away from projects unless there's some sort of indicator, some sort of a narrative that is like they're locked up or they're out of circulation or it's an inaccurate read, something like that. Otherwise, if there truly is only 6% of the supply in circulation, it's not my kind of project, regardless of its utility, because you're just asking to get dumped on. Andrew, should I sell my ICP for JASMY? All in on JASMY. I mean, I don't know how many JASMY you hold now, Andrew. I mean, how many are you holding right now for JASMY? Hey, Rob and JASMY family, Junior in the house. What's up, man? Anything you're topping off currently, Rob? I'm thinking some XCN or Swift. I'm working on. I mean, it's fairly well known that I'm working on XCN still. So I already topped up my Swift bag. I got 1 million tokens on Swift a couple of weeks ago. I let the members know about that. Altcoin King, hey Rob, how do you think Flare can reach this bull run? Flare will do fantastic. Fantastic. I love Flare. I do not hold any Flare. I would like to hold some Flare. I don't right now. $1.5 billion market cap for Flare. Right? Well, the all-time high was what, 10 cents? I mean, I could see Flare easily hitting. I could see Flare hitting between 80 cents to $1. I could see that happening. Hello again. You think people will only get good money if they hold a good amount of XRP? I think if you're going to hold XRP on your spot wallet, you should be holding at least 10,000 tokens, in my opinion. If you're holding less than that, like I guys, on the member side, I break down portfolios for people. I help you restructure your portfolios and stuff. I help you identify your weak points, your strong points, your consolidation points, all that stuff. So, by the way, if you want to be a member, click the link in the chat for that, guys. But what I would say is that I see portfolios every day. People send me their portfolio breakdowns and I have to assess them. And there's always somebody who's got like 400 XRP or 400 Cardano, right? And it's like, why are you holding 400 XRP or Cardano? My price target for XRP is only between $7 to $13, right? So if you're holding like 400 XRP, it's only going to go to conservatively $7 and bullishly $13. How much money are you going to make? Would that money that's in XRP not be better use to you in a project you hold more of, right? Just a thought, guys, with a lower market cap, right? Just a thought. So for me, when it comes to Cardano, XRP projects like that, around that size market cap and price, you're going to have to hold at least 10,000 minimum for it to be worth holding, in my opinion, right? And I hold over 10,000, well over 10,000 of both. So I've noticed people switch from bearish to bullish and vice versa so quickly. No wonder people think crypto is a scam. Glad you keep it real with us always, Rob. Hey, 100% liquidity, 100%, man. I feel like you're talking about my terrible ADA holdings. I feel attacked. That's funny. That's funny, but seriously though, I do. I see at least 4 or 5 portfolios a day that have like 400 XRP or something like that, right? And I'm just like, what? What are you holding this for, man? What? What else do we got? Well, I mean, look, guys, like I said, I think that we're going to have a stronger pullback. I could be wrong, but a lot of the general sentiment in the market right now is that we're about to go crazy. We're about to go up. And usually when that happens, when the general consensus is that crypto is about to go up, usually crypto does the opposite, right? So Michael Vandepop says, just a matter of time before we'll be having our altcoin fiesta. That I agree with. Patience is key, and we will make our way to altcoin season eventually, guys. Now, here's something, Tara, I'm looking at you on this one. So here's something, guys, that, there's a little bit of misinformation or, manipulated information. Now, when you have to be careful in crypto, guys. You have to protect yourself because people will grab something that somebody says, a prominent figure says, and they'll twist it to a narrative that it's not, right? And then if people are not independently careful about the research that they do and have a good understanding of things, they can believe this stuff, right? So Tara, I'm looking at you, right? We were talking in the chat or in the comments earlier today, and it was about Brad Garlinghouse. Some content creator out there, I guess, is saying that Brad Garlinghouse lied. He lied about the U.S. government investigating Tether. That's not what he said, right? And I'm going to play it back to you here. I'm going to play back to you what he said, and I'm going to break it down for you because it's not what he said at all, right? But it was presented that way to suit a narrative of someone, right? And we're going to expose it. We're going to expose the truth here, right? So first off, we'll play this for you. Hang on a second. Where are we? We'll play this for you. This is what Brad Garlinghouse had to say.
The U.S. government is going after Tether. That is clear to me. I view Tether as a very important part of the ecosystem.
So he says the U.S. government's going after Tether. That is clear to me. The fact that he said that is clear to me says that he's giving you his opinion, right? He's giving you his opinion that the U.S. government is going to go after Tether. And listen up, he's not wrong, okay? He's not wrong. Guys, if you're new to crypto, you have to understand something here. Those of us that have been around for a while, we already know it is only a matter of time before the U.S. government goes after Tether. We all know this. This is not brand new information. There's a couple of reasons, guys. One, as we all know, Tether has never proved that they're solvent, right? They've never fully been audited to the point where they can prove they're backed one-to-one. That's not good, guys. That's not good, right? They say they are, but they've never proved it, right? That's a problem. Number two is the fact that they're overseas. They're a company overseas, which means the U.S. government does not have jurisdiction over that company, right? Do you think that the U.S. government is going to allow a stablecoin company to exist in the United States that they don't have any control over? They can't come after them for audits. They can't come after them for balance sheets. They can't come after them for anything. They don't have jurisdiction, right? And then you have USDC, right? USDC Circle is an American-based company, stablecoin, the second largest stablecoin. And now it's been adopted by BlackRock's using it. You have Coinbase is using it, right? So USDC is getting a lot of adoption and is dubbed or looked at as a safer stablecoin, right? So none of this is brand new information. So the fact that Garlinghouse said this is not a lie. He's not lying. He didn't say that the U.S. government 100%, the U.S. government right now is investigating Tether. That's not what he said. He's expressing his opinion that he thinks that the U.S. government is going to go after Tether. It is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And I agree with him on that point, right? You can't just read between the lines with what people say and make up narratives. There's content creators out there that do this kind of thing, right? He was flat out accused of lying that he said that the U.S. government is already investigating Tether. He didn't say anywhere in this that the United States government is investigating Tether. Listen, I'll play it again.
The U.S. government is going after Tether. That is clear to me. I view Tether as a very important part of the ecosystem, and I don't know how to predict
the impact that will have on the rest of the ecosystem.
The U.S.
Right? He did not say they're flat out investigating them right now. And furthermore, Brad himself says covered everything from making a dent in the universe to Ripple, blah, blah, blah. And then he defended himself. I'm trying to find it because I saw it earlier. He defended himself because he said, I did not say that the government is currently going after Tether. I can't find it. It must have been a response somewhere. But, you know, like he didn't say that. He didn't lie. But there's content creators out there that will make up an extreme scenario, right? The CEO, imagine this, if you will. When you hear something like that, do me a favor. Imagine, if you will, step back and really logically think about this. Is the CEO of a company the size of Ripple going to go on national television and just start lying about another company and a government investigating them, which is easily disprovable online, right? You just got to use Google, right? What would his incentive be to lie about Tether? What's he getting out of lying about Tether? Some people will say, well, Ripple has a stable coin. Yeah, they are going to be having a stable coin. And it's only going to operate on Ethereum and on the XRP ledger right now. It's not even out, let alone is it anywhere near a level where it could compete with the likes of Tether. It doesn't make any sense, right? So I just want you guys to open your eyes a little more and do a little more research into things. When you hear something that's that extreme, like CEO of, I don't even care what company it is, CEO of this company jumped on national television and lied about another company, right? Investigate it, guys, because that's kind of an extreme thing, right? People like to respond emotionally to something that's extreme that they hear. And that's why I always encourage you guys to make sure you're doing research. Find 2 or 3 other sources that confirm, reliable sources that confirm the story that you're hearing before you believe it is fact, right? And I'm not talking about sources like The View or Fox Business, right? Right? So I just want you guys to, protect yourselves from that sort of misleading information, right? What's your sentiment for that week about JASMY, bullish or bearish? I think Bitcoin in the next few weeks is going to be heading down to, like I said, 52 to 55K. So, I mean, JASMY will likely be neutral this week, kind of sideways, probably. We could have a very volatile week, man. Like it's not a good week for leverage trading. I'll be honest with you. We got FOMC coming up. We got Powell speaking. There's like 9 other bureaucrats speaking this week on the financial system. So, I mean, it's going to be a very volatile week. We're probably going to hear some things that we don't like, that the market's not going to like, and it's not going to respond in a flattering way, in my opinion. The CEO of Tether responded on X to his comment. Tether CEO made the statement responding to this statement by Garlinghouse. Rickaroo, what's up, buddy? What's going on? The imploding of the USDT could be the reason for the next bear market. Yes, exactly. And like I said, those of us that have been around for a long time, we've known about the potential black swan event of USDT for like 5 or 6 years now. This isn't new information, right? I don't know why it's being looked at as brand new information. It's weird to me. This is old news that we knew that Tether could potentially be a ticking time bomb. That's not brand new, right? So the best way that Tether could prove otherwise is just to come out and do a full audit showing that they're backed dollar for dollar, which would give everybody more confidence in the company, which they just have been asked to do for years and they won't do it. And, I don't know, try to come up with some sort of regulation compliance with the US government, to get involved. But that's the best thing that they could do. Honestly, as you said, Rob, the best is just to zoom out and think about the upcoming 6+ months, because there's always FUD and downtrends around the time of the halving, but historically we go up. Absolutely. What's up, Kevin? Good to see you, bro. What's the news, Rob Father? Hello, everyone. What's up, man? Rod, what's going on, man? Rob is going to be a millionaire. I'm not lying, but it's my opinion. Done. Full stop, right? I dig it, brother. I dig it. All right. What else do we got, guys? Again, guys, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. Would do us a great service. We'd love to have you join the family, right? All right. What else do we got, guys? Let's see. Of course, we've got good old El Salvador, right? They bought another Bitcoin today. President Bukele said they will buy 1 Bitcoin every day until Bitcoin becomes unaffordable with fiat currency. Gotta love that adoption, guys. Gotta love the commitment. So the president of El Salvador is DCAing every single day. Are you? That's the question. Are you? All right, what else do we got? Let's have a look here. Top meme coins ready to explode in 2024. I figured you guys would like this one. So the crypto landscape, as we know it, is changing at a dramatic pace. Traditional blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum now share the attention with the new innovative projects that present significant growth opportunities to investors. Investors are paying more and more attention to altcoins, including the booming meme coin sector, as they search for the next big profit community. A market shift in the crypto market takes place in 2024. Investors are increasingly looking to alternative crypto projects that may offer them enticing returns. The booming meme coin sector, with its innovative and playful spirit, is continually capturing the hearts of investors and grabbing attention for their massive potential returns. First up is PAW. Ticker's PAW Fury is leading the meme coin revolution thanks to the incredible success of its native utility token PAW pre-sale. The project secured over $2 million in pre-sale and has the target of 2.5 million. With a strong community of over 30,000 on Telegram, an upcoming strategic partnership, PAW Fury is a participant and a pioneer in the meme coin revolution. PAW pre-sale price is 20825, and experts anticipate a listing price of 2 cents. Analysis predicts a massive 20x ROI on PAW Fury when it hits exchanges. Dogecoin, one of the pioneers of meme coin industry, continues to prove itself to be a significant contender in the sector. Its origin as the first meme coin and unwavering community support underscores Doge's position in the industry. Doge symbolizes playfulness and fun in the market and is a resilient player with incredible future potential. Shiba Inu, number 3. Shiba Inu fortified its market position after securing a significant capital infusion with its robust community backing and the SHIB ecosystem expansion. SHIB is poised for impressive future gains within the competitive meme coin space. Pepe is firmly positioned within the meme coin market as and is supported by a strong community and its iconic meme status. Analysts expect Pepe to grow substantially, redefining its position in the sector. Dog with Hat, promising signs of potential rally as it approaches key resistance levels. WIF boasts an actively engaging community and continually undertakes development efforts to set itself up for notable price increases. Floki Inu readies itself for a year of significant change. The project has innovative market strategies and community-driven initiatives on the horizon that will enhance its market appeal. Bonk reels in the success of its recent listing on the crypto exchange Revolut. Bonk is leveraging the post-listing momentum with clear indications of further market gains. Increasing trading volume and indicators interest suggests a bright future for Bonk. And finally, meme coins like PAW Fury are redefining the crypto space, offering more than purely speculative value. These alternative ventures provide a gateway to innovative blockchain opportunities and unprecedented potential gains. PAW Fury is celebrating its pre-sale success, offering investors an additional 10% buying bonus. Investors can claim this bonus by entering the promo code EXTRA10X. Love to see it, guys. Love to see it. Junior, I wish I could DCA every day. Yeah, no kidding, man. No kidding. William, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Patrick in the house. Where you been, broski? Good to see you, man. Fam Scam. What's up, Fam Scam? 589, brother. 589. Absolutely. What drives you to think Jasmy would be bearish that week? Any notice or Bitcoin news? Yeah, I just said, I think that the whole market's going to be red. If Bitcoin's red, the whole market's red. And I think that Bitcoin's going to have a pullback this week because, like I said, we got FOMC, we've got Powell speaking, we've got, I think, 8 or 9 other bureaucrats speaking this week on the economy. And yeah, I think we're going to hear some things that the market's not going to like. So if Bitcoin reacts in a negative way, then guess what? So's crypto, right? Hope everyone is having a good day. So far, so good, brother. So far, so good. You know, big things popping, little things stopping. we'll see how it goes. I'll have a better day when all the people that are watching the stream right now, whether live or on the replay, my day will be awesome if they hit the subscribe button. That would be epic. What else do we got? We got more going on, guys. We got more. House overturns SEC's anti-crypto guidance. Biden to veto law decoded. Let's check it out. The United States House of Representatives has voted to pass a bill overturning controversial SEC guidance preventing banks from owning crypto. The House voted to pass the bipartisan bill titled H.J. Res. 109, overturning the SEC's Special Accounting Bulletin, SAB 101, requiring banks to hold their customers' crypto assets on their balance sheets, which is not the case for traditional assets such as securities. Republican Party Representative Mike Flood, who introduced the resolution, said SAB 121 was unfair for banks looking to custody crypto, as custodial assets are always considered off-balance sheet. However, before the vote, U.S. President Joe Biden office issued a statement informing lawmakers and the public that his administration plans to veto a joint resolution affecting crypto policy at the SEC if it comes to his desk. The White House said it strongly opposes members of the House of Representatives seeking to pass a joint resolution. It claims would disrupt the SEC's efforts to protect investors in crypto asset markets and to safeguard the broader financial system. Let me just chime in here real quick on that, guys. Listen, I've read the bill, okay? I read it. And I'm telling you right now, basically what the bill does, it does not prevent investors from being protected. All it does is it changes the department that protects the investors when it comes to crypto. That's all it does. It basically gives full jurisdiction of the CFTC, jurisdiction over the digital asset space, labeling all digital assets on the secondary market, including NFTs, as commodities, not securities, which would prevent Gary Gensler from suing everybody, right? And it would also limit the SEC's authority in crypto to projects who have ICOs and things like that, right? Kind of like Ripple did an initial coin offering and they lost that part of the case. So, I mean, everything lines up with what the judge decided in the Ripple case, essentially. So investors are not being protected by this. They're just being protected by someone who has the actual investor's best interests at heart and not Elizabeth Warren's, right? So what's wrong with the CFTC protecting us instead of Gary Gensler? What's wrong with that? Because the CFTC is not suing everybody, right? That's why. Unbelievable. The Australian Taxation Office, ATO, seeks personal data and transaction details from up to 1.2 million cryptocurrency exchange users for the potential crackdown on crypto tax obligations. The tax office believes the data will help identify traders who have failed to pay their taxes on their crypto trades. The ATO will seek personal data, including users' date of birth, social media accounts, phone numbers, transaction-related details, like wallet addresses, types of coins traded, and bank account details. For Australian regulators, cryptocurrencies are taxable assets, unlike other foreign currencies. This requires traders to pay capital gains tax on the profit from selling crypto assets. Listen, guys, if you're paying your taxes, this shouldn't bother you. Just pay your taxes, man. Why go through all the rigmarole, all the bullshit, BS, right? Why go through all of that and risk, fines and penalties and jail time? And just pay your taxes. It sucks, believe me, I know, but just pay them, right? You're still making money. The Democratic Party of Korea will request that the Financial Services Commission, FSC, reconsider its interpretation of the legal status of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. An unnamed official of the Democratic Party Policy Committee told the local paper that the party would make the request after the opening of the National Assembly in June. The opposition party was swept into power in the April elections in South Korea and hold 175 of 300 seats in the legislative body. That's what we're talking about, guys. We're talking about South Korea is going to be also adding a spot Bitcoin ETF, and they're already in the works of making it happen. And then down here, as we talked about the other day, KuCoin and Binance have also now become regulatory compliant in India. I remember back in December when everyone panicked, everyone who was in India was panicking and messaging me, and they were upset. Like, what are we going to do? I said, listen, it's only a matter of time before these exchanges become compliant with the Indian regulations, and they will. They're not just going to turn their backs on all those customers, the potential money they could make, right? And here we are a few months later. See, I know, right? Big Rob knows. Trust me, Big Rob knows. I'm telling you. What do we got? What's up, my JASMY family? How you doing, sir? I'm doing good, man. How you doing, brother? How you doing? Should I be in attention to my liquidation price on JASMY at, I assume you mean 207, not 7 cents. Yes, I would pay close attention because it's going to be it's not a good week to do leverage trading. It's honestly not. There could be some very, very volatile ups and downs this week, right? A lot of people are going to get liquidated this week, in my opinion. Michael, Rob, I went to one of the gems from yesterday, the Pokemon one. I used Coinbase wallet to swap some ETH, only 5 of the ETH, but it gave me nice, very nice, man. I think it's a great project, brother. H. Barbarina, music to my ears. DCA, absolutely. Kevin, any update on the PDL release to the Android users? Not yet, brother. Not as of yet. But I think that, like I was talking with Jesse today, and he's going to be back on the channel either tomorrow or the next day. We're going to do a live stream in the afternoon, either tomorrow or Wednesday, and we can talk about that a little more on the live stream with Jesse there, either tomorrow or the next day. So keep an eye on that, brother. And if you have any other questions about JASMY, make sure you bring them to the live stream, man. If CPI data is good, we go up. Otherwise, down we go, and it's DCA time, baby. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. 207, yeah. Overcome, what's up, man? Good to see you. I don't think that the JASMY's dropping down to 207. I really don't see that happening. But could it get down to like 1 cent too? Yeah, I could see it getting down around there. Let's get rich together this bull run, man. Best of luck to all of us. Absolutely, man. We don't need no luck, man. We do it right. We do it the right way, man. We do it right. Big things popping, little things stopping. Jack stacked and fanny pack, guys. Let's go. Let's go. What else do we got? Angelo, what's up, man? Any idea where Swift is going? I'd say Swift's going to go somewhere around $1, but like I say, guys, I will be starting my exit strategy between 40 and 50 cents, working my way up as I lather my way out of the position. Will the gems ever get listed on Coinbase, etc.? I mean, down the road, yeah, down the road. But there'll be so much liquidity in them. The market cap will be so high by then, right? Whoever gets rich first buys the other a Lambo. That's a good deal, man. When in doubt, zoom out. Tristan, what's up, man? Long time no see. Morning or evening, wherever you are. Just got myself 100K Myriad. Nice, man. Nice. I was saying to the members the other day, man, that like 2 days ago, that I'm looking at the prices of Myriad right now, and I'm like, I may have to get more, man. I may have to get more at these prices. Don't forget to like the video, says liquidity, subscribe, and become a member, guys. Good microcap gems and helps from and help from that. Thank you so much, Liquidity. Thank you so much. I agree. Make sure you're clicking that subscribe, and make sure you're joining the member side, guys, or the Patreon, one of the two, because you don't want to miss the content over there. I'm looking to exit Swift around 50 cents as well. Just need to get to 500K. Yeah, absolutely, man. That's my plan, brother. While everyone else is waiting for that psychological level of $1, we will be laughing all the way to the bank. And then I'm going to take some of my profits and roll them into other projects that haven't pumped yet to make up the difference, right? So it's going to be fantastic, bro. I agree. My favorite Lamborghinis. Funny story, guys. You actually, I was reading an article. They said you actually can't even order a Lamborghini right now. You can't buy a new one. You actually can only get them secondhand until the end of 2026. All of the Lamborghinis in production have already been pre-ordered and paid for. So very, very interesting. Hang on a second, guys. My phone keeps going off here. Sorry, guys. Anyway. Sir, I'm fine with the second hand as well. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Not me, man. I don't need no Lamborghini. What I need is a big black chromed out Sierra, GMC Sierra, or maybe a Ram Sport, something like that. All my profits I make, plan on redistributing. Yes, absolutely, man. Do most altcoins pump at the same time in the bull run? Nope. No, they don't. They usually take turns, man. They usually go off by narratives, right? So if AI is pumping, most AI plays will all be pumping at the same time, right? And everything else kind of won't be. That's the flow of liquidity, right? And then everything will start flowing into the gaming, Web3 gaming projects or something, right? And then all the Web3 gaming projects will start to go nuts. And that's kind of how it will work, right? Favorite color is red. I'll be getting a Lexus LFA or an LC500. Nice. Very nice. Hoping farm don't go up before 20th gong. Yeah, I know. I've got a little bit of farm. I'd like to get some more. I'd like to get about 50. How about BBC, Big Black Chevy? Yeah, Big Black Chevy. I'm more, honestly, I've always been kind of a Ram guy, but something about this GMC Sierras that look good, you know. But I'll tell you this, I would take a Chevy over a Ford. I'll tell you that much, right? Counting on you, Patrick. My first Lamborghini red one would be good. What's your thoughts on Luna Classic? I'm kind of neutral on Luna Classic, to be honest with you. I would personally not buy it again because I'm one of the people that got wrecked on Luna when that whole rigmarole happened. I can't say that word. But I honestly, I don't see what the appeal is in buying into a project that, you know, something like that happened, right? Absolutely horrible. But listen, I understand now that it has a fantastic community behind it. And, you know, so, I mean, it's kind of like a meme coin now, I think. I don't know what they're doing or anything, but yeah. Bitcoin doing interesting moves. Yes, absolutely. Amen to that. Chevy all the way. Very nice. Very nice. I got wrecked also, but still holding. Yeah, I still hold my Luna too from when I got wrecked, but it's not worth very much anymore. Well, that hurts. I want a red Ford Raptor. Do they still make the Raptors, man? Are they still in production? I don't know. I don't know if they still make them or not. Got to get you a T-Rex, buddy. A T-Rex. I work at GMC dealership and drive a 2017. I love it. Although the new Ram TRX looks awesome. Yeah, man. Like 700 horsepower, right? How did Luna end up crashing so hard? Because the stable coin that they have was linked to, it was an algorithmic stable coin linked to Luna. So when I can't remember exactly how it happened, but basically the more something happened with the stable coin, the algorithmic stable coin, and as a result of that, it all of a sudden started minting like hundreds of millions of Luna Classic tokens, which was driving the price down obviously as those tokens continue to get minted, right? And that's essentially what happened, right? They ended up minting like billions and billions of Luna Classic or Luna coins, and that drove the price from like $200 down to like a fraction of a cent. It was crazy. It happened within like a week or two or something like that. So very, very crazy. Rigmarole. Yes, rigmarole. I'm not buying an expensive car. I'm just going to pull out all my investment and leave 20-30% profit next bull run into USDT. Yeah, not a bad idea, man. Not a bad idea. I laid out my strategy. I did a video where laying it out. I don't think it comes out till tomorrow or the next day, but pretty cool strategy that I got too, guys, that I plan on implementing there. So with my profits. All right, what else do we have going on? No, that's not what we are. There we are. All right, so why Bitcoin is price falling suddenly? How low can it go? Bitcoin price started falling and parring earlier gains after a few macroeconomic data signaled that macro factors are key drivers in the Bitcoin price currently, and PPI, CPI, and Federal Chair Jay Powell's speech are due this week. BTC's price is likely to remain under pressure and volatile. The latest pullback in BTC's price was a result of U.S. consumer influx expectations data. The inflation expectation for the year ahead came at 3.3%, the highest since November, from 3% in each of the previous 4 months. Moreover, the inflation expectation for 5-year horizon increased to 2.8 from 2.6. Meanwhile, the hotter inflation remains a concern for the FOMC members. The Federal Reserve Vice Chairman Philip Jefferson and Fed's Lorette Meester expressed mixed outlook on inflation and rate cuts. CoinGape recently reported University of Michigan consumer sentiment data caused BTC's price to tumble below 61K as inflation expectations for the year ahead rose 3.5%, and the 5-year inflation outlook 3.1% from 3.0%. CoinGlass data shows more than 212 million were liquidated across the crypto market in less than 24 hours. Among this, 132 million long positions were liquidated and nearly $80 million in short positions were liquidated. Most of the liquidation happened in the last hour, which was recorded at over 50 million. Over 90K traders were liquidated, and the largest single liquidation order happened on crypto exchange Binance as someone sold ETH for Bitcoin valued at 3.98 million. This was an interesting move by an investor for a whale. BTC's price fell more than 1% in a few hours to 62,566. The 24-hour low and high are 60,769 and 63,422, respectively. The prices are likely to maintain a weak momentum and fall to support at 62K. Popular analyst Ali Martinez predicts a retrace towards 62K as Bitcoin is facing rejection by the 200 EMA. On the 4-hour chart, the TD subsequential indicator also presents a sell signal. However, BTC will continue its upward trajectory if the candlestick closes above 64K, which it is not going to do. Bitcoin miners are facing significant capitulation risks after the recent Bitcoin halving of block subsidies and relatively low transaction fees. The trading volume have also plummeted and caused a further increase in risk. On-chain analyst Martoon said, this is likely to cause substantial strain, especially for less efficient miners. According to crypto researcher from Kiako, the crypto market is to see more selling pressure as Bitcoin miners with large holdings of the digital asset face a sharp drop in revenue. Higher transaction fees offset lower miner rewards for firms in April, but this has since reversed, it added. So more downside to come, guys. Like I've been saying for BTC, I could not agree more. Like I said, mid to low 50s is on the table, guys. I just want to wake up and say, let's go to Hawaii and not have to care about the world. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Wake up. Let's say, let's go to Hawaii and not have to worry about how much it costs, right? Right? Just go. They probably put $1 billion into on leverage and loaned CoinSand, put them into Luna. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. And it just destroyed everybody, right? Like destroyed everybody, me included. And that's the funny thing, guys, is that nobody saw it coming, right? I know people now will say, well, I saw it coming. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Nobody saw it coming because everyone at the time, the general sentiment on Luna was that Luna was going to go to $600 in the bull run, right? Didn't happen, obviously. So did not happen. All right, what else do we got? Bitcoin's bullish trend reinforced as danger zone signals fade. Bitcoin seeing a strong upward push, shaking off earlier fears of downturn. This comes as technical signals strengthen and key indicators reset, suggesting a bright road ahead for Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's price chart is showing an inverse head and shoulders pattern and a strong indicator that often predicts a reversal of the previous downward trend. Crypto investor Quentin Francois pointed out this pattern, saying inverse head and shoulders pattern spotted on the BTC chart, not the most beautiful I've ever seen, but I'll take it. He suggests that breaking the neckline of this pattern could pave the way for further price recovery. The moving average convergence divergence, a tool used to spot changes in the strength and direction of Bitcoin's price, is also showing positive signs. According to crypto analyst Jelly, Bitcoin has nearly completed a full reset back to the 100-day EMA, a bullish MACD cross below the zero line, and the first higher low in a long time. It looks good. As of the latest updates, Bitcoin's relative strength index, which measures whether it is overbought or oversold, stands at 49, up from 33 on May 1st. This suggests that Bitcoin is currently valued fairly according to the market conditions. Crypto trader Megs, following the bullish sentiment, expects a breakout base on these technical indicators. However, the broader market sentiment remains cautious. The coming consumer price index reports and comments from Jerome Powell, chair of the Federal Reserve, might bring additional volatility impacting Bitcoin's short-term movements. So Powell could basically, it depends. If he says something good, we could see upward price action for Bitcoin. If he says something that's kind of not so good, well, because listen, what was it, 2 weeks ago he came out and spoke and he said a lot of good stuff, right? He was very, very dovish. So this time around, he might counter that by being a little hawkish, guys. But there's two different mindsets right now, guys, basically, right? Most people think Bitcoin's going to shoot up to around 75K. Then there's a few of us, and me included, who think we've got to go down to 55 to 52K first, right? Before we go up to 75K. So we'll kind of see how it plays out. That's why I say be prepared for the worst, but expect the best, guys, right? Hope that it goes up to 75K, but be ready in case it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? Always be ready so that you don't have to get ready. Little thing from Binance here. It says Jasmy's chilling while BTC is having a tough time. Locked in at 1 cent 8 and holding strong. Keep an eye out for this move to hit 2 cents 5 if things slow down. Count on 1 cent 5 to give support. In previous cases, we've observed a 570% profit. So we'll see what happens with Jasmy first. 1 cent 5 or 2 cent 5. Should be interesting, guys. And of course, as always, guys, we have to check in on the Dixie, right? We got to check in on the Dixie, guys. So on the hourly, just kind of treading water right now. Let's check out the 15 second. No, I don't want the 15 second. The 15 minute. There we go. The 15 minute. We've got a little bit of a break there. All right. Let's check out the 4 hour. What about the daily? What's the daily look like? A little bit of a red candle again today, guys. We need that collapse, guys. We need that collapse to happen. Funky, boy, I'm late. YouTube didn't notify me. Damn, didn't notify. We've been streaming for 1 hour and 10 minutes, man. Oh, that's a lot of push-ups, bro. That is a lot of push-ups. All right, and we got a little bit on Veracity, guys. Are you ready for Veracity to rock the Web3 crowd at conference? Web3 crowd at conference. So there's another event coming up, guys. Veracity will be there, called Conference with a 3 instead of an E. As you can see here, trust the logic, not the emotion. Veracity will surprise a lot of people in the next 12 months. The project is fundamentally one of the strongest you can find at the moment. That's a fact. I do like Veracity's fundamentals and utility. Very, very bullish indeed on Veracity. All right, Binance Square. 19 banks report exposure to XRP in 10.27 billion investment positions. Crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Get ready for some exciting news. The Basel Committee of Banking Supervision, BCBS, has just dropped a game-changing report that will blow your mind. Brace yourselves, because 19 banks from different parts of the world have disclosed a jaw-dropping total exposure of $10.27 billion to cryptocurrency. And guess what? Among all the digital currencies out there, XRP has emerged as a shining star in the investment world. It's time to buckle up and dive into the thrilling world of crypto. Get ready for a surge in activity within the XRPL's DeFi sector in the coming weeks and months. Watch out for token CTF and the top DeFi token on XRPL as it has a potential to skyrocket from 90 cents to an incredible $374 per token. That is crazy. A market cap of 10 billion is all it would take for a CTF token to experience an impressive increase, while 120 million CTF tokens in circulation. Any sudden scarcity would push the value to unprecedented levels. You'd love to see it. Very, very bullish stuff, guys. Very bullish stuff. All right. What do we have, guys, on the altcoin season chart? Let's check it out. Boom. We're still neutral, guys. We are still neutral on the altcoin season chart, which means you should be doing what? Accumulating. 100% correct. Accumulation makes it happen. Over on the rainbow chart, what is the rainbow chart saying? Still in the buy zone, guys. We're still in the buy zone. So if you're wondering, should you be DCAing right now at these prices? The answer is an astounding absolutely, based on the altcoin season chart and the rainbow chart. So very, very bullish. Will altcoins surpass Bitcoin soon? Recent analysis has indicated that altcoins, particularly Chronos, could potentially offer significant returns due to the technical signals suggesting a possible price breakout. The focus has shifted from Bitcoin, which is currently experiencing a period of stagnation, to alternative cryptocurrencies like CRO, which exhibit promising technical formations hinting at lucrative price movements. The price trends of CRO, the native token for the crypto.com exchange, seem less affected by large investor groups known as whales. Compared to other tokens, recent data shows that whale groups have been accumulating CRO, expecting a future price increase. Notably, accounts holding significant amounts of CRO have recently increased their holdings by over 20 million tokens, bringing their total to approximately 2.66 billion CRO. Analysts are eyeing the potential 40% rise for CRO's price if it breaks out of its current descending triangle pattern, a signal typically indicative of a possible reversal from the downtrend. For this to happen, CRO must overcome key resistance levels at 13.3 cents and 14.5 cents, converting them into support zones. Failure to break out could lead to further declines, with critical support at 11 cents 8. I would love to fill up a bag of CRO at 11 cents 8. So yeah, very, very bullish for CRO, guys. You love to see that. And then if we look over at the Bitcoin chart, guys, on the daily, we're still in this bull pennant here, guys. As you can see, I've also laid out these two levels here. So this is 55K, this is 52K, guys. If we drop down, so when you zoom out, right? When you zoom out, 55K from where we are and 52K, it's not really that bad of a fall, right? It's not. But when you see where it is on, like, you know, in the short term, and when you zoom in, you're kind of like, oh, that's so far, right? You zoom out, it's not that bad of a correction, guys, right? And it's healthy. So I just wanted to show you guys that if it does drop down to 55 to 52K, it's not that far down, right? So yeah. Switzerland's largest bank, UBS, owns shares in the BlackRock Bitcoin ETFs. Guys, it just doesn't stop with this adoption. Bank of Montreal here in Canada, Canada's fourth largest bank, also holds Bitcoin ETFs. Breaking, GameStop short sellers have lost $1 billion in the first hour of trading today. Investors are coming in full speed. This is very bullish for crypto, guys. Are we getting the retail excited again, and are they back? It's going to be exciting to find out, man. Absolutely. Very, very bullish stuff, guys. Keep an eye on it. Could be big things popping. You know what it is. So that is the news that I have for you guys this fine evening. Guys, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button if you're new. Make sure you're hitting the join button. Become a VIP member of the channel, guys. You don't want to miss it, guys. It's $4 to be a member of the channel. It's really, really affordable, right? And the help you get over there and the gems you get, it's definitely worth it to check it out. So click the link in the chat, in the pinned comments, or the join button to do that. And the Patreon as well. I'm starting to move all content. So the Patreon's going to literally have every single piece of content that I make. It's going to be on the Patreon, whether it's Patreon only or on YouTube, all of it, everything I make, I'm going to start uploading all of it to the Patreon. So you get everything I have over there as well. So you're going to want to check out the Patreon as well. The link's down below for that. But for now, guys, that's all I got. I'm going to go eat some dinner. And I'm pretty sure Max is streaming tonight. So if he is, I'll probably see you guys in the chat over on Max's stream if he is streaming. If not, if he doesn't, maybe I'll come back. We'll see, right? But yeah, thank you guys. Thank you as always for being here with me, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate all of you guys. Beebs, sorry I'm late. I did 45 push-ups earlier this morning. I guess 5 more won't kill me. Yes, you're late. You're like an hour and 17 minutes late. But yeah, guys. So as always, like I said, thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thanks for coming. I appreciate all you guys. And I will see you guys either later tonight or tomorrow morning for tomorrow's live stream. Take care, guys.